Let me see how the bed feels. This bed is like always comfortable to me. There it is here. Okay, people. Let me take my mask off. For those of you who don't know, I have been upgraded to a balcony cabin. So I originally had an ocean view room, and now I have a balcony, which I'm so excited. So your standard bathroom, hey girl, it's pretty much set up the same. I'm gonna organize my room later, but got a full mirror. I wipe it down. It's so heavy. They brought my bags really fast. I've been on the boat like 30 minutes, and my stuff is already here, and all my stuff that I ordered is here. So I have my water over there that I ordered, and I also, this time I did not get the Cheers package. I ordered a bottle of Bacardi and some mixers, just to enjoy my time in my room. Lights over here above the bed. Oh, they have, guys, they have this beads on the sunrise. They don't have this on other ships. I know this is like a newly renovated ship also, so. Okay. Go.
Now it's, oh wow, more storage over here. Okay, storage.
Through sunrise. This is gonna break my nail. Like these type of, they need some like, you know, hooks. An overall view of the room again, and this is nice. I could be wrong, but like something like this I would always get like for myself, like unless I have a significant other. I just feel like when two people are sharing this cabin, it's too small. Maybe it's just me. Comment down below if you can relate. Rooms, like this is too small. Like I already feel cluttered just being in here, so I'm excited. I already have been to the Lido. I got me some food, so I'm good. I got some lunch. I had a rum punch, and I'm good right now. I'm just chilling. So I remember when I did my packing video, I was talking about the outlets. This ship actually has more than one outlet, which is good. And they have the USB ports above the bed right there. So we're good on here. Oh, and they give you a mask too. Here, like, they are getting beside themselves with all these outlets. I know that's right, because I didn't have enough. Sure.